Oh, it's coming. 233 7th Street. Let's see. We'll get the motor room when we come back. Will you mind opening? White light. All right, here we go. Oh, Westinghouse doesn't light up. Look how big this panel is. It's hilarious. Huh, apparently 233 7th Street, Garden City, New York is the brand. Why do you do that Westinghouse leveling again? Mind opening. All right. Watch. Westinghouse. Bang. The cab is a lot like the other one that's right next to this building, or to the other building. This is probably a Staley, just like the other one. Monitored TR fixtures. No funny beeps, sorry guys. Alright, we're gonna get the motor now. Mind opening. It's neat. And eventually there it goes. Guess that's the original. No, I don't think that's the original indicator. There you go.